The Portuguese left a mark on Asia that time has not erased. Our communities are all proof of this undeniable truth. The result is something that endures, the birth of communities that are both European and Asian, resilient communities that have shaped the countries in which they live. We understand that while this heritage is complex, it is meaningful. In Timor-Leste, the Portuguese arrival changed everything. We were once a land of kingdoms. We shared a land and a culture, but we had no sense of national identity. It was the Portuguese and the broader European experience that introduced to us the idea of the modern nation state. Today we speak of national sovereignty and independence as if they were eternal truths, but they are in fact the legacy of an idea carried by history and transformed by struggle. And it was this idea that forged our people with a sense of unity and national identity. And so, when our country was occupied and the time came to fight for independence, it was our history that gave our struggle its strength, the strength of common purpose, of shared language, and of unbreakable unity. It also gave the foundation to make our case to the world, to make our diplomatic argument for self-determination. It allowed us to speak with one voice, to articulate a legal and moral claim, and to engage with international law and the rights it protects to people. And this was made possible because we stood on foundations laid centuries ago.